Now, working with some appearance tab in your WordPress dashboard, you will go to your dashboard, and then you will experience appearance tab over here. From appearance tab, we can do a number of different things like themes. We have themes. We can give a new layout to your WordPress website. We have free themes and a premium themes as well. We can customize your website with some fav icons, logos, and there are a number of things we will explore in these videos later. We have widgets, we have menus, header, background, and editor. So appearance, I will go to themes. Here you will see this is my custom theme over here, Kodegems and a style theme. And if you want to know how we can create a custom theme and a style theme, you can view my a separate video on creating a theme and a style theme. I will surely give the links of that videos in my descriptions as well. So this is my custom theme and style theme, and this is the default theme of WordPress 2015. And for now, my website looks like this is I'm just revamping my website as well. So this is my custom theme, and if I will activate this one, so it would look like this. So this is called the theme, this is called the template, as from where you can change the layout of your WordPress themes. Now you can add new themes, new free themes as well. These are the free themes in the WordPress repository. You can select any of them and install it, activate it, and if you will refresh your website, it will looks like this. So pretty much the layout of the website has been changed. So from this tab you can set up your custom themes, and you can add new free themes and style themes, or the premium themes as well. Now from a customizing perspective, if we go to a theme, I will again activate my default theme, visit my website and refresh it in. So this is my theme, and if I go to customize from here, I can go from here as well, and then we can go from the dashboard as well. So I'm going from here, customize. So from here you can change number of things as per the themes provide you the different tabs. According to the theme, you can change site identities, like you can select a logo, you can set the site titles, taglines, and the colors of the website, backgrounds, header image, background image, menus, widgets, and there are lots of things appear according to the theme options. So this is this tab is just like theme options. You can change some colors and site identity. You can set up logos as well. So this is called your customize tab, and the theme appearance tab. In this video, in this section of the video, you have understand how you can set up your themes and how you can work with your customize tab. This is the like theme options for you. I have a different section in this video for the widgets as well. In that video I will teach you how you can set up widgets in your WordPress websites. So refer my widgets video. And for the menus, I have already created a separate video for the menus, what are the navigations, and how you can add a page, how you can create a page and add them in the navigation, in the main navigation. And I'm gonna show you what is the main navigation. And so you can see over here, this is the main navigation. From menu tab you can set up your main navigation, or you want to add another menus, you can work with that as well. For now, I am just leaving this header and background tabs because we have already covered these two tabs in the customize option, and these are not necessary for now. And last but not the least, editor, the editor tab. I will click over here. So you can see this. This is sort of a coding, and this is the style sheet of your WordPress website. So if you know coding a bit, so you can change the color of your website, color of your the headings. You can give paddings and margins over here. You can do as many things as you can if you know the coding techniques like CSS, and these are the PHP files you can set up. You can give some custom code to your WordPress website, scripting, and echo out something. So these are the PHP files, functions files, and this the style.sheet and the style sheet, and the style.css is for the styling purpose.